Hi, after a short break, uh, now I will show you how this cabin, nano cabin, looks from outside and from inside, and how that everything works. Okay, let's have a look. Maybe the front at the beginning. So on the roof you have two airlines, 1 meter each, and one solar power panel 60 watts. Okay, the cabin on the side wall has one window and it's strapped with two straps, one on each side. From the back, one window in at the back door and very solid, very solid lock, and one window on the right hand side also fitted. When you look at the back, you can see two boxes fitted outside. The box on the left hand side, it's a box where the autotherm heater is installed, 2 kilowatts. So it's very strong. It's too strong for such a small cabin, so we always use it for at the minimum power. The box on the right hand side, it's an empty box. You can use it for, well, whatever, and for in the winter time you can use it as a fridge. But of course we also have a room for the fridge inside. So there's one more extra empty box in standard equipment. You can see it at the floor on the left, and you just need to replace it. You can replace it with the heater for the summertime. Okay, how the cabin looks inside and how it works. You can see under the roof the mattress fully open, and when it's open, when it's unfolded, it's 2 meters times 160, so there's a lot of room for two people. So windows are fitted above the mattress on each side. You can see the window there and the window there. You can open them when you sleep. And now at the bottom you don't have enough room for sitting, but that sleeping area is constructed that way that one person can use the mattress on one side fully open, and one person can sit on left hand side. I will show you how it works. So when you woke up and you are sitting on the mattress, you just need to remove one part, okay, and these two pipes. I will put them to Euro container. So I'm going now inside the cabin. And this is how it looks inside. Okay, you can see there's enough room for sitting for one man. Around, so between these bars we have about 50 centimeters. I will show you how do I look when I use this area. So enough room. I'm not a big man. I'm nearly 180, but I feel quite comfortable sitting here. Now, one side is fully open. The mattress is in its full wide. But there is no need for one person to use fully open mattress, because when we remove this cushion and these two pipes, okay, I will take these cushions outside to show you dimension from one corner to another one. So 2/3 of this mattress are now unfolded. From this point to left, to the front corner on the left, we have 2 meters, so one person can easily use that mattress and the other one can use sink, the cooker and seating. So here we have enough room for 2 people at the moment. That pipe can be removed if we don't need that. And this one also can be removed. I just put it at the moment on the mattress, but the storage area is in the front below cushions. Okay, so enough room here and enough room here. Right, now I will leave my mobile for a while and I will fold these mattresses. These mattresses are quite tight, but they have to be like that. Because you are 100% sure that when you stop driving, you will not find them on the floor. Okay, I'm just folding the bed now and put the bed and all frames for transportation or for using it during the day when we don't need a mattress. And 2 more. Alright, the bed is, as you see, the bed is folded now. Okay, and the frame is under the mattress. It won't come off. I switch the camera. Now, here we go. Okay, what is included in starter equipment? Cabinets, portable cooker, 2 Euro boxes, 10-liter water tank plus 1 10-liter spare, we didn't fit it yet, and battery. Next, porta potty on the roof, some rubber straps and net mesh pockets. I'm just go backward. So double floor. So when I lift it, You can see some extra storage. You can see some extra storage here. 4 compartments. And what else? I will show you how much room is inside. I will just check. So I'm staying at the back wall now. I'm nearly 180, so I still have about 15 centimeters here. And now I'm staying nearly in the middle, so still have a lot of room. I don't need more, so at least me. Well, the water system works. So we just use submersible water pump. So you need to put, you have it here. You just need to put it into the container when it's filled with the water. And the gray water pipe, we have it here. And it goes straight outside through this hole. So we just need to take this gray water pipe through it, and when we don't use it, or when we stop, or when we start driving, we can cover it with a plastic cup. We have this cup somewhere, not somewhere, I just lost it a minute ago. I need to find it. Okay. Solar panel, you just need to connect to these 2 solar wires, and they have to go through this space up, and they need to be connected there. Here we have a room for the fridge. So we have a cover, we didn't put it yet, but we have a wooden cover made of plywood, and you can put portable 12-volt fridge here and secure it with some straps. Okay, my dears, I'm just thinking if there is anything else I can tell you or explain you. Nothing comes into my mind at the moment. Maybe something about these windows. Cabin is equipped with 3 windows. These windows are used in marine industry. I will show you how to open them. You just need to do this, and the window is open that way, right? So to secure it, and it's done. Okay, these windows can be also used when you use the mattress, when you use the bed fully open, so you are still able to open these windows, all 3 windows. Not sorry, 2 windows on each side, and the rear door window you are not able to open it when the rear door is closed. I think this is everything what I wanted to tell you today. I hope you liked our cabin, and if you have any further questions, I'm looking forward to hear your inquiries or get some emails with your requests. Thank you very much for watching. All the best for you. Bye.